All right. So here's what we're tinkering with today. We have some sutures. These are most common nylon monofilament. These are 4.0. Now I did some research because I didn't know. I'm not a doctor or EMT. Once again, warning: not a doctor, not EMT. Please, I'm not the authority on this. But I did find a doctor who explained this here, this 4.0. Apparently, when they first started making these individually wrapped and stuff like that sutures, they had a number system. The number system was just the number, right? And then as things got smaller, 2.0, right? And smaller and smaller and smaller, they add zeros. So this is not like electrical wire, right? This is not like wire. The more zeros, the smaller. Okay, so we all know that the more zeros in wire is larger. So a quad-aught wire, that's a bad mamma jamma, dude. But anyways, these blue ones, the nylon mono, right? That means that there's one strand. And then they have the braided ones. The braided ones, you know, they're a little stronger, whatnot, blah, blah, blah. They have braided ones. This is just a monofilament nylon. Pretty small, you know. That's 4 zeros. That's a pretty small needle. I got these, I mean, so cheap on Amazon. It's almost worth it, right? It's, I mean, how could you not? I mean, for 20 bucks I get, or less than that, I forget how much I paid for them. Not much. I get 24 of them. These are the most common. They come in a little sterile package. It's great. In lieu of using your canvas repair sale needle and the guts of some paracord, this is a way better option. So what we're going to try to do today is we're going to try and make a little EDC pack. I have these larger than Altoids tins. I might do something with this. We also have, you know, a little Mylar bag, right? I don't know. We'll see what we got going on here. This is my first thing. Oh, with little instructions. Make sure. Need extra free suture thread. Okay, anyways, they're selling me more stuff. Alright, so we have these gloves. These gloves are not for me. These are small gloves. These are Gorilla gloves right here. These XL bad boys. So, that would be for my kits. And then these would be for everybody else's kits. So let's see what, in fact, we want to do. So let's try and roll these gloves up real quick and see how large and intrusive the roll is. Let's see. Now I wonder, these bigger gloves, if like a longer roll would make it not so fat. I don't know. But that, I mean, that's a hefty roll. Jeez. Hefty. Wowzers. Yeah, that's hefty business right there. I mean, that's big business there. Okay. But here we go. Does it fit in the tin? It does. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not teabag. Not teabag at all. Let's see about this Mylar bag. It's probably going to pack this Mylar bag full, isn't it? Yeah. So let's see. How about if we take one of these sutures here. Let's fold. Oh, yeah. get the little thing down at the bottom of the plastic. Let's fold it over. All right. Put it in there. Okay. All right. Let's get these Gorilla Gloves in there. 200-pound gorilla. More like 260. Ah! All right. Now with these, once again, man, these respirator cleaning pads, 70%, they're gonna clean you, right? Once again, this is, you know, I mean, this would be considered minor surgery. We're not gonna be going in suturing any tendons. If you feel like one of your tendons is severed, you definitely need to seek a doctor. Please. Anyways, so that's actually not a bad little pack right there. I can put that in my med packs, and it should work out just fine. That's not bad at all. I kind of like that. Maybe I don't know. Maybe we could do the gloves a little bit different, you know. But we have a suture in there, common nylon monofilament 4/0, and some cleanup pads, you know. So these gloves aren't sterile. So post clean or glove clean, post clean. I should say, put the gloves on, clean the gloves, with one. The second one, do a pre-clean on the wound, right? Just to get you going. And then probably what I would do is I would fold it and keep it close. You know, don't let it hit the ground. And then the third one is post clean of the area. And then, you know, large bandages to do that business, to keep it out of there. You could use some triple antibiotic. You know, the nylon, it's non-absorbable, which is good. The absorbable ones, you know, those would probably be best for inner, underneath the skin, because, you know, once the wound heals, you can always cut those out of there. So yeah, I mean, that's not too bad. I mean, it's a little bit thicker than, you know, the little boo-boo deal, but you know, I think if we folded the gloves differently, it might work. Let's see. Get some Gorilla Gloves here. Let's see what kind of folding we can do here. Let's fold them in half, and then fingers so they're not all crazy. Yeah. Let's do another one like that. All right. I don't know. See, I don't know. I think I like the roll better, because the roll, you pull it out of there and you, chow, you know, you pop them out, right? Like my dudes. All right. And all this stuff that I'm redoing over here, most of the stuff, you know, I watch videos on the YouTubes, right? And you know, there's a lot of smart people out there, and you know, they're you know, it's a good medium. It's a shame that, just like everything else, you know, it's taken over by greed. You know, as far as I'm concerned, I have no idea. Quite frankly, I don't really care. You know, big giant gorillas like me use mediums like YouTube for education. Helps us tinker with the stuff we got. So don't stop making videos. Keep on helping us out, you know. Tell us what what we should be doing, or show us the right way. You know, it helps us all, you know, we all get along better that way. You know, the more that we work together, the less we have to worry about in the future. Can really, oh, you want to see the wacha? So you open that up, wacha, bam, there it is. All right, so I'll make a couple more of these to go in my my med kits.